Is it easier to push an object or pull an object? Let's find out. Let's assume a mass m being pushed with a force F and a mass m being pulled with a force F. On pushing, the force F has two components, F cos theta along the horizontal and F sin theta along the vertical, acting downwards towards the ground. On the pulling case, there exists two components, F cos theta on the horizontal as usual and the F sin theta on the vertical, acting upwards away from the ground. Fine. Now we know the force of friction is nothing but the coefficient of friction into the normal force, where normal is usually mg, but it's not so in this particular case because of the additional component of sine theta in both the cases. Now, calculating the normal force comes out to be mg plus f sine theta when it's being pushed, because there exist two components, mg and f sine theta, acting downwards. Now, in the case of pulling the object, normal force is equal to mg minus f sine theta, because mg acts downwards whereas the f sine theta acts upwards. So over here the normal force is quite less than the normal force on pushing. So frictional force on pushing becomes mu s into mg plus f sine theta, and the frictional force on pulling becomes mu s into mg minus f sine theta, where pulling frictional force is really less than the pushing frictional force. Thus, the frictional force of pulling is less than the pushing, so we can consider it's easier to pull an object than push. Thank you. Have a good day.